Tanya Bami. Yeah, Tanya was there. And as I was leaving, I left a small slip in her hand. I said, "This is your winner," and it was her name. But it was not fixed. It was not fixed. It never is. It was from what I could see, and then from there on, I'm very happy and glad that she became the lucky mascot for Food, and she did very good shows for us. Many shows actually, but the one. अभी भी आज I was telling my mom कि अच्छा शिप्रा की book के लिए जा रहे हैं. अच्छा हाँ वो desserts और chocolate और वो coffee बड़े. The way she was saying and she's 83-year-old. मैंने कहा वाह कमाल है. This is Shipra Khanna. So wish you all the best, Shipra, for inspiring many people, and as you would know that there are very few chefs, actually I know none who can put Insta on fire, and that's Shipra Khanna for putting Insta on fire. So I say that there are many people who celebrate, whose body of work is celebrated, and here work and body of work is fantastic. Thank you very much for giving me this honor, and wish you all the best. And Sinfully Yours, just dessert. हमारे शो का नाम क्या था जब हमने Pure Sin? So it's the first show that we did maybe 10 years ago, maybe more. Yeah, that's 9 साल पहले. Pure Sin. So it's been yes, dessert show. It was a dessert show. So it's been a sinful journey. May this journey continue, and may you achieve heights like never before. Wish you all the best. हमने अपना काम शुरू किया था. Doorman to chairman, सब आप उस दिन हो जाते हैं. That anyone who was working and then they start their own work, तो सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. But this looks very good. इसको तो अगर नहीं बिठाएंगे तो अभी अच्छा लग रहा है. हमारी 5:40 पे फ्लाइट है. Beat that. तो मेरे से जल्दी तो नहीं जाना, right?
We're going to hand over the mic to you. I want to speak about the book in a minute. So first of all, I want to tell you, can I have a copy of the book? Shafqat, your birthday boy. Now that you've launched the book, you can look at it. It's been immense joy to write the foreword to Sinfully Yours, Just Desserts. After all, this unique collection of recipes is created, innovated, and shared by the gorgeous, multi-talented queen of cuisine herself. Master Chef Shipra Khanna is as glamorous as she's disciplined. She's as international as she's Hindustani, as much a sweet addict as she is into health and fitness. And it is this masterly balance that infuses this unique collection of recipes with its flavor. Big hand for her book, please. It's very unique. It's very unique. You have to try the recipes and see. Not only are they easy to make, but they're amazing. They combine health, nutritious, and delicious. And only Shipra can do it because she combines beauty with brains. As you can see, I'm a great admirer of hers. I'm also very, very, very grateful to her for being the brand ambassador of my not-for-profit hospitality home. Every time she collaborates with me, I get 180,000 likes. My next post will have 2 likes. But also here's the funny thing, every time she collaborates, I get messages. Madam, you're so beautiful. Wow, then it's, oh, it's not for me. But I'm really grateful. She's our wonderful chief guest, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, who's given me fabulous testimonials that help push forward the cause of hospitality home. Now, Shipra herself, other than being so glorious and glamorous, has won many, many, many awards. And sometimes I kind of, my head baffles as figuring out how many to read. Shipra, you won she's even won the WIBA award at the Cannes, okay, food festival. She's been honored as Celebrity Chef Influencer at the WIBA award, and she's made India proud. She cooks up multi-course menus in the most prestigious of venues, and of course she dresses the most elegant and stylish way. She's as much a style icon as she's a Kannadi icon. And you'll agree with me, we don't have anyone who matches that. A powerful and potent combination indeed. Sure enough, a strong digital presence is unparalleled. But what is truly inspirational?
You know, want, especially in the same field of hospitality, you can immense, you become a guide and a friend also. Like anything I seek out, Rashmi and Chef Sanjeev have always been there for me. I still remember my first camera was, we bought in New York, and Chef Kapoor was, instructing which one to take. I remember my first book was drawn by Chef Kapoor, and this is my 9th cookbook. So he's always been kind and very, very humble. That's what makes both of them what they are. They're amazing. And especially about the book, my 8th book was on health. I wrote during lockdown. It was totally on how to, kind of boost your immunity, how can you feel better, eat better, think about your food that you're eating, just be more mindful about eating and all that. And obviously in India, most of us, we don't really care about healthy food. We think it's boring. And I wanted to change it with that book. But then I started working on my 9th cookbook, which was Simply Yours. And I thought, why not healthy desserts? So that's how the idea came. It has very different, very beautiful, interesting recipes. You will see it being served today also. All the desserts are from the cookbook. So please enjoy it. And obviously the unsung heroes, the people, unfortunately, who's the publisher, they're not here. But the entire team, myself, we have worked really, really, really hard. So please do have a look at the cookbook. Each and every recipe has been thought over. We worked on it over 2 years, to get this book out, and it's truly, really, really close to my heart. And thank you so much. And I'm so glad and thankful to all of you to be a part of it. As you can see, it's a very exclusive event. We just wanted to keep, people who enjoy food and who we want to share it with to be here, and all of you are here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And what you see outside is first try for all those recipes. So you can be sure of the recipe. And they are very, very, very simple and nice to make. And like a simple thing like a oat cupcake or a oat muffin, work the very first time. You don't have to change the recipe. In India, because most of the pastry books what we get from abroad, we have to change the content of the flour, you have to change which butter to use, change the moisture content. In this book, you don't need to worry about that. You can go straight away and start cooking from it.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, that was the idea. And like hearing the compliment from the Patessa itself is really, really a big compliment. Because I think I started cooking from home. So, and then I got into a professional field. So for me, it means a lot, because whatever recipes also I'm making, I try to make it really concise and for everybody to follow. Basic idea is that even if you're not a chef or if you're not a cook or you don't like cooking, you can still save the day with simple yet amazing recipes or simplified a lot of recipes. And yes, if you see like English desserts or Western dessert, it will always be in measurements which is on Western standard. But I've just made it, it's very easy for you people, for all of us in India to cook from this book.
Absolutely agree with you. And I want to ask both of you a question. Is it true? I feel it is true. I learned baking from my mother, and I'm a very bad baker. But I think I want to ask you both. Is it true that baking and patisserie is far more difficult than cooking? Does it require a lot more effort, a lot more measurements of heap of ingredients. Just let me know if you think it's more difficult or the same or what.
Depends who's cooking you. Definitely, desserts are very difficult because you have to be precise. I think we generally in our regular cooking we just put things andaze se. But here you have to measure. It's like a science. It's an art.
जी सिंफुली योर्स मेरी 9वीं किताब है और ये किताब डिज़र्ट्स के ऊपर है, यानी कि हम मीठा बना रहे हैं लेकिन कुछ हेल्दी। और इसकी इंस्पिरेशन हेल्थ से ही आई। आफ्टर पैंडमिक मुझे लगा कि अगर हम हेल्दी खाना, जो मेरी 8th बुक थी हेल्थ अनलिमिटेड, उसको काफ़ी सराहना मिली और मुझे लगा कि क्यों ना हम हेल्दी डिज़र्ट्स भी बनाएं, क्योंकि सिंफुली योर्स एक मेरी किताब पहले भी थी और वो इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीत चुकी है, और इसीलिए मुझे लगा कि वाई नॉट डू समथिंग डिफरेंट और इसको एक अलग तरीके से बहुत सिंप्लीफाई करके रेसिपीज़, सबके लिए कोई रेसिपी हो, ऐसी किताब बनाई जाए।
सचिन जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? लोग आज स्वीट से दूर हो रहे हैं बिकॉज मीठा लोग खाना पसंद नहीं करते, मोटापा हो सकता है, डायबिटीज है, तमाम चीज़ें, और उस पर इस तरीके का
बहुत अच्छा सवाल है कि लोग मीठे से दूर भाग रहे हैं, तो फिर ऐसे में ये पुस्तक की क्या ज़रूरत है। एक्चुअली डेटा ये कहता है कि हमारे यहाँ जो स्वीट कंजम्पशन है वो बढ़ रही है, और सबसे बढ़िया बात यह है कि अगर आप शिप्रा की फ़िलॉसफी को बिलीव करें तो आप उसको फॉलो करेंगे तो अच्छा खाना खाने से वज़न नहीं बढ़ता, मोटापा अच्छा खाना खाने से नहीं बढ़ता, ख़राब लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से होता है। अगर आप अपना सब कुछ खा सकते हैं, आप अगर एक्टिविटी अच्छी रखेंगे, आप अपना ख्याल रखेंगे, आप स्ट्रेस नहीं लेंगे, तो नेचुरली कुछ भी खा सकते हैं। तो ऐसे में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपना ख्याल रखते हैं और अच्छा खाना खाना चाहते हैं, तो उनको सज़ा नहीं मिलनी चाहिए अच्छा खाना खाने की। तो ऐसे में सिंफुली योर्स मेक सेंस।
शिप्रा, आप कितना एंजॉय करते हैं मीठा स्वीट खाना? या
मुझे अगर
पोस्टर में हम लोग देख रहे हैं केक,
हाँ जी, कि अगर मुझे खाना नहीं भी मिलता तो मुझे चलेगा, लेकिन मीठा ज़रूर चाहिए, और हर मील के बाद मीठा कुछ तो होना ही चाहिए। तो हमारा वो 3 कोर्स तो हो ही जाता है, कुछ आप स्नैक खाएंगे, मेन कोर्स खाएंगे और डिज़र्ट ज़रूरी है। तो हम इनफैक्ट कई बार खाना भी जो हमारी मील है डिज़र्ट से शुरू करते हैं पहले मीठा खाएंगे।
एब्सोल्युटली। इनकी जो किताब है, जो पुस्तक है, कुकबुक है, इसका पॉइंट यही है कि आप मीठा खाओ भी और डोंट इवन सफर विद इट. सिंपली योर्स तो बोला इन्होंने, बट एक्चुअली इट्स हेल्थी मीठा. इट डजंट साउंड दैट टू ऑपोजिट्स आर सिटिंग टुगेदर, बट दैट इज द होल पॉइंट ऑफ अ बुक कि आप मीठा खाओ और मजे बनाओ. That's the whole thing. And I studied the book before writing the foreword, and it's really बहुत ही मज़ेदार किताब है. आप खाओ भी और मज़े भी करो. That is the important thing.
खासियत इस बुक की ये है जी, इस बुक की खासियत सिंफुली योर्स की खासियत ये है कि इसमें स्वादिष्ट खाना, स्वादिष्ट डिज़र्ट यानी कि मीठा, और साथ में वो हेल्दी भी है. तो हेल्दी भी है, मीठा भी है, ज़िंदगी एंजॉय करने के लिए है. ज़िंदगी रुक रुक के या टुकड़ों में जीने के लिए नहीं है, पूरा अच्छे से खाने के लिए है. और ये किताब एक सेलिब्रेशन है टू ऑल द लिटरेचर, टू ऑल द शेफ्स जो खाना बनाते हैं सब लोगों के लिए, ताकि वो बनाएं घर पे होममेड डिज़र्ट्स एंजॉय करें. देखिए, कहा जाता है कि सिन यानी कि एक पाप, कहते हैं मीठा खाना पाप है अगर ज़्यादा खा लें, तो हम कहते हैं थोड़ा सा सिन करिए, ताकि थोड़ा सा करिए तभी इसका नाम है सिनफुली योर्स.
ये किताब है एंड इट इज़ रियली ट्रूली अ ट्रेजर. क्यों इसमें आप मीठा भी खाओ और मज़े भी बनाओ. हाँ, ये बिल्कुल टैक्स है इसमें. तो टैक्स ये है दैट यू टू लर्न टू कुक प्रॉपर्ली, और इनसे सीखना चाहिए, इनसे सीखना चाहिए.
एक्चुअली बुक्स के ऊपर टैक्स नहीं है. बुक्स
सीरियसली
ये टैक्स वाली हैं, इसलिए पूछ रहे थे इनसे सवाल आपसे. बट एक्चुअली देयर इज मतलब पहले नहीं होता था, मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या है.
अभी भी टैक्स नहीं है, डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. और यहाँ पे बहुत मीठा है जो किताब से ही हमने बना के सब लोगों के लिए, जहाँ जो आज यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं उनके लिए हमने इसी किताब में से कुछ जो मीठा है, काफ़ी सारी 7-8 डिशेस आप सबके लिए रखी हैं, ताकि आप खा भी सकें, किताब भी खरीद सकें और मीठे का मज़ा भी उठा सकें, सेहत का भी मज़ा उठा सकें.
भी है.
थैंक यू.